Question for you. Can you take one more step? I'll give you a little encouragement in this video because we all get stuck. Hey, this is Jason Bramlett with Real Estate Speed School. We create these big targets, we create big goals, we have, ambitious just desires and goals and where we want to go. And all throughout life, this is just life. This is not specific to you. It happens to all of us. We get stuck and we can't see where we need to go. We can't see. The target that we put out there is so far in the future, are so big that sometimes we get paralyzed. Sometimes we're just wandering. And here's a really simple tactic. Look at your target, know the direction you're supposed to be going, and ask yourself this: can I take one more step? Can I take one more step in the direction I need to go? And the answer is always yes. And it gives you clarity. It gets you back on track, and it also gives you tremendous confidence. Just moving the one more step forward is key. It's a great thing. So, it's the old adage of how to eat an elephant, one bite at a time, and that's true, and it's true in business. And one of the things that we are really, really good at is projecting these big, amazing, BHAGs, the big, hairy, audacious goals and all that. And we're really good at that in real estate, phenomenally good at it. But sometimes we get stuck, and sometimes we just need a nudge. We need help. And so hopefully, if nothing else, this little message in this video will get you unstuck today. And here's what I want to encourage you. Just take one more step. Just take one more step. And maybe that's, maybe it's just one more phone call. Maybe it's one more listing. I can't tell you how many times I have not wanted to make one more phone call, and the one more that next call was amazing. The next listing appointment was absolutely amazing. It was in there helping people and solving a problem, or helping a teammate, helping another agent. They're stuck. We all get stuck. And so I just want to encourage you today that if that's you, just relax, grab a cup of coffee, get that target out in front of you, look at where you're going, and just ask yourself, can I take one more step? Can I make one more call? Can I do one more listing appointment, one more buyer appointment, one more agent interview? Just take one more step today. All right, I hope that encouraged you. This is Jason with Real Estate Speed School. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications. We'll be here for you. Just go out there and hammer it today. Make it awesome. We'll see you next time.